Bosch has been America's fastest growing dishwasher brand for the past 2 years. And if you know anything about Bosch, you know what we did next. We started over. We completely rethought our already successful German-engineered machines and introduced our design specifically for the US market. We added third racks to the quietest dishwashers available. Sleek European designs feature controls that you won't have to bend over to read. A new tub design offers greater flexibility in loading just about everything in your kitchen. The new third rack will change the way people load dishes. It holds cutlery, spatulas, tongues, and other utensils, and preserves space in the bottom rack to load more place settings. And Bosch continues to be the quietest dishwasher brand in the country. We reinvented them, we redesigned them, we re-engineered them, and we ended up inventing your next dishwasher.